Hello. I'm your famous cook, Mr. Coronavirus. Today we're going to cook my pubistic sandwich. You're going to need a plastic paper. You're going to need two pieces of pubic hair. I hope you do not copyright me, Bomba. Whoever's out there. Okay. You have the two pieces of bread. Producer, you got all this footage correct? Good. After that, we must get the perfect zucchini. We've got to get a whole bunch of crumble stuff. And after we do, I call this the pubic sandwich. You want to get one for a couple of quick takers. After that, you get a fresh sample of whatever this stuff is. You got to get a spoon. Without a spoon, you got to get this. Disgusting. Then you've got to get a knot. Then a couple of touches.
Oh, that's gross.
A couple of touches. Oh, sorry. The floor, I made a mess, didn't I? Okay. Then after that, you want to get about just as half a no, that won't do. So we are going to do the most horrific thing ever. Yes, I've quit the Italian voice. My Italian voice. You keep sleeping, right? That's mostly because you're going to, no, that won't do. That probably has germs. What else? That's this. What's it? But we're not done yet. We are not done.
Loads in my soul.
We're not done yet, my friend. We're not done. Peanut butter. Chips Ahoy cookie. Of course, one of my favorites. Samples.
Can I have one?
Later. Put it correct. Now look around. Then you've got to do the most diabolical thing ever. We're not done. We're nearly done. We've got to get the chocolate. If you cannot get chocolate, then
Can I have Chips Ahoy?
later, after I'm done cooking, you've got to get two types of hot sauce. Where's that spoon? You've got to clean it, because if you don't clean it, you're basically contaminating your own family's ashes. Is what I would have said to your parents if they were still there. Get peanut butter. That stupid butter. We're nearly done. Nearly done. Miss Joseph. Oh God, that is sexy right there. And we did it. We have made the pubistic sandwich.
Eat it.
I'm the chef. Let's get right into it. Oh my, what a delicate sustenance. How do you do this?